making a vanilla tart, you will require 300 grams of maida, 200 grams of butter and 100 grams of sugar. The ratio is 3:2:1. If you want to make a chocolate tart cake, then you will reduce the quantity of maida. You will take around 280 grams of maida and 20 grams of cocoa powder. You won't add extra sugar. So first we will take our butter. The butter should be at room temperature. It should not be melted. It should be just at room temperature. It should be soft. We'll add a powdered sugar. You can also take caster sugar. We will blend our sugar and butter until it is creamy. So we will need this creamy texture. As you can see, we will add our maida. We will add half a teaspoon of vanilla essence. You can cling wrap this dough and store it in the freezer for a month. You can use the same dough for cookies. As you can see, my dough is little soft, so we'll cling wrap it and keep it in the fridge for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, you take the butter paper. You can also use plastic sheet and you will keep half of your dough. You will put another butter paper plastic sheet, whatever is available at your place. And now we will roll our dough. Now you place the plate. You can take OHP sheet and cut your desired shapes. We'll mark a circle. We'll take a cutter and we'll make a hole. You need to prick your dough. You can prick it with a knife or a fork. Put inside the oven with the butter paper. If you are using a plastic sheet, then you cannot put inside the oven. We will preheat the oven at 170 degrees for 5 minutes. We'll bake it for around 12 to 15 minutes. When you will see that your edges are getting golden, switch off your oven. Now, we will make our filling. There are different types of fillings that you can make for your tart, like dark chocolate ganache, white chocolate ganache, white chocolate mousse, dark chocolate mousse, and even cream cheese. But today we make dark chocolate ganache. I'll also tell you how to make different types of filling at the end of the video. Now we'll take our chocolate. So the ratio will be 2:1, 2 portions of dark chocolate and 1 portion of cream. We are using the normal cream. It should be at room temperature. We will microwave it for 30 seconds first. You can see half of your chocolate is melted. Store our chocolate in the fridge for around 3 to 4 hours. You will cool down your tart before decorating it. So now we'll decorate our cake. Your ganache should be spreadable. We'll take a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can use milk packets. We'll put a nozzle. If you don't have a nozzle, it's not an issue. You can directly pipe it. If your ganache is too thin, then keep it in the fridge for some time. And if it's too thick, then put it in the microwave for 20 seconds. We are done decorating our tart. We'll keep this inside the fridge and decorate the second part, or else your chocolate will start melting. So now we are done with the icing of the cake. I'll decorate it with fresh flowers and a little bit of chocolate. You can also decorate it with fresh fruits. Finally, my cake is ready.